Hey, what's up guys, my name is Omar and I'm here with my bro and his friend. So I'm gonna start my deck, and this could be my first time. Jeez, Carlos, really?
Yeah.
So let's see what I get out of these 3 packs I got. So pack 1,
Screw everything else.
fuck you, Carlos.
You got the beginner's guide. You got my
So the cover. So let's see what I get as well. So I got a to Z Dragon Buster cannon. Like an ABC Dragon Buster.
We didn't see those ones coming at all.
A Assault Core, or yeah, Core. Like a B Buster Drake. I know it's funny. Like a C Crusher Wyvern. Looks pretty good. A heavy mech support armor.
Apparently this is the start of Dragon in the Ultimate.
I think it's pretty cool too. I love mechs. I like machine type decks.